What if a nation's power, trains and secrets vanished in seconds without a single bullet fired? This was not a movie. It was the opening blow in a real cyber war. In the dead of night, India's capital was quiet, too quiet. Government buildings dimmed their lights, emails hummed in silence, but something unseen was tearing through the digital sky. This wasn't a drill. This was Operation Bunyanul Mahsus, a silent strategic cyber assault carried out by Pakistan's elite cyber command, known only as the Shadows. In seconds, India's most secure data, defense intelligence, election files, economic secrets, was breached. 507 high-value systems frozen. Experts stared in shock as screens turned to static. Message received. This is only a digital strike. The real war is still coming, but it didn't stop there. First target, SCADA networks, the digital backbone of India's infrastructure. Power grids, water control, industrial plants, all compromised. 70% of North India went dark. Over 50 million citizens without electricity. Fires in power plants. Water pumps dead. Even hospitals and airports fell back on backup systems. Then came Strike 2. Indian Railways. A DDoS storm and malicious code injections crippled CRIS, the railway's command hub. Trains halted. 2,900 plus locomotives stranded. Signals failed. 12 trains narrowly avoided catastrophe. And the cost? Millions lost in cargo disruptions. Coal, grain, oil, industrial goods, everything stopped. Strike 3. India's smart energy grid. Wind farms in Gujarat, power grids in Delhi, substations in Kashmir, hacked, shut down, burned out. Transformers exploded, generators failed, cities collapsed into darkness. But the most terrifying part, this wasn't chaos. This was precision. A cyber war designed not just to break hardware, but to break morale, to expose vulnerabilities, and to remind the world that the battlefield has moved beyond borders, into networks, servers, and minds. Operation Bunyadul Mahsus wasn't just a strike, it was a message. If we can touch your core in silence, imagine what comes next. Welcome to the new age of warfare, where data bleeds and shadows